Today I'm doing a super simple and really cute heart design for Sweetest Day. I don't have a sweetie, but you know what? I have my nails. So we're getting right into it. I already applied my base gel by Model 1s and the Marquette white polish. And I do want to let you guys know I absolutely love doing press-on nails and nail design. So if you like this type of content, be sure to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. So I'm just doing here kind of like a horizontal split between the pink and the white. I know with my ring light it's kind of looking gray in the color, but as you can see from the thumbnail at the end of this video with more of the natural lighting, it is white. It's a really beautiful white. And I'm gonna do this all across all the nails. So I'm kind of using my small Beetles brush and also my big brush to kind of define that split between the two colors. So all the pink nail colors I'm going to be using today, I actually got in a set with a few more pink colors off of Amazon. And since the weekend is coming up and it's going to be Sweetest Day, I decided to put these pink colors to use. They're really, really pretty. I will not be wearing this set out. I really just do these sets to practice nail art because I find it really, really fun. But maybe if you're inspired or you like these techniques in creating this design, hopefully it is helpful for you. And if you're going out this weekend with a special someone or even taking yourself out, I hope you are safe and have a bunch of fun. So I did actually take out 2 hands, so like a full set, because I was considering wearing these out this weekend. The reason I didn't is because I think it was the first hand I did, it wrinkled in my lamp. I'm having a really hard time with this lamp, so I may have to shop around. If you guys know some good lamps or even tips and tricks, please let me know below. But yeah, again, like I said before, I am not wearing these nails out, so it didn't really matter. I'm just starting over. So now I'm going in with the Beetles brush. I don't know what this side is. It's not a brush. It's kind of like a little dot or bead, but I'm using these to create my hearts. It's really simple, but as you see, once I get to the pinky, I do a lot better. I did practice on one of the other hands, but I was still having a little bit of trouble in the beginning. But that's why I love this hobby. We are practicing and having fun, and I can really just take my time. So on the rest of these nails, I didn't put any like pink hearts in between the white and the pink on the bottom because I decided to do the white hearts on the bottom, as you can see in the thumbnail. But I really wish I had some rhinestone glue. I have a bunch of really cute rhinestones and a bunch of like stickers and glitter that's coming in the mail. So if you guys like more of the bling nails, I love that stuff as well. So in the next coming days, and especially next week, I'm going to be doing some more sets with some bling once that all comes in. So stay tuned, you guys. So I know some of these nails, like on the ring finger, are smudged, especially for the really small ones. After I'd cured it, I noticed that. Again, I'm having trouble with my lamp. I don't know what was going on, but I do fix that. When I'm editing these videos, I do cut out some parts because I do kind of like let it record through the whole thing, and these videos would be super, super long. But you guys, I am correcting my mistakes in ways that I don't even know if it's the proper way to do it. I honestly have like little acetone wipes, and I kind of like wet my brushes and clean up that way. And then as far as putting more polish on, like I just use the same little tool here and put more on to fix up those pieces. So if it looks different during the video and at the end, that is why. I just don't keep like all of that footage all at once, but I definitely do make mistakes a lot. you guys had seen some of my other videos, this part of putting top coat was literally like my fear, because every single time everything would just smear. Thank goodness it didn't happen this time. So I'm getting a little better at working my lamp, because that has been one of my biggest struggles. Here they are. I hope you guys like this video and these super cute nails, and thank you again for watching. Bye.